Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming updates. Keep iOS and Facebook current so options match. Once done, open Settings and tap Notifications. This is faster than changing inside the app. Scroll to Facebook in the alphabetical list and tap it. You need to see the app-specific toggles. Make sure Allow Notifications is on, otherwise nothing will sound. This first step gets you to the controls that actually govern banners, sounds, and lock screen behavior, so don't skip it. Now you adjust where the sound comes from. In Settings Notifications Facebook, Confirm Sound is enabled. Then open the Facebook app, tap Menu, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and find Notification Settings to control types like messages or groups. Within each category, choose Notification Sound if available. This is where you pick a distinct tone so you can tell alerts apart. Make changes, then test with a live notification to verify the new sound and alert preferences are applied correctly. Finish by testing. Ask someone to message you or use the app's test notifications and listen for the selected tone. If you don't hear anything, make sure Do Not Disturb or any focus mode is off and that the ringer volume is up. Silent switch can mute notice sounds. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and as a last resort reinstall Facebook. This resets app permissions. If reinstalling, recheck notification permission prompts so sound control is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.